How to fix Marvel Rivals Unreal process has crashed error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Modify the launch option first of all. The first fix you can try is simply change the game's launch option. For that, right-click on Marvel Rivals in your Steam library and select Properties. Under General section, locate Launch Option field. Try entering one of the following commands like dx11 to run the game in DirectX 11, dx12 to run in DirectX 12, or d3d11 another DirectX 11 option. You simply need to test each one to see which works for you, and most of the time DX11 or DX12 should resolve the issue. The second step is to verify integrity of game files. If the launch option don't solve the problem, the next step is to verify the integrity of your game files. So here is how. You need to simply go back to Properties menu, select Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for missing or corrupted files and fix them automatically. It may take a few time, so be patient. Step 3. You can even adjust compatibility settings as well. If the error persists, try adjusting the game's compatibility settings. For that, you can click Browse under the Install Files section and locate Game's exe file, right-click and select on Properties. And after that, you can easily run the program in compatibility mode and select Windows 11 from the drop-down and press Apply to save the changes. And that's it. You will fix the issue. I hope this guide worked. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.